So, I want to know if I'm alone have some little heart failure when like something going with a bank card. So I got to the gas station a while ago. And yo, make very paranoid when it come to bank cards, online banking and them something they like extreme paranoia. Run the card, miss it decline, right? No, obviously it's most a problem with for them system. The pump attendant go ask me if me sure money they on me card. Listen to me lady, now do me that, no me 100% sure some money they on my card now. But just she asked me that, yeah, me say me get hot. Me want to check my bank app. Me open my IG. Hey, listen to me. No star. Listen to me. I can't do people have something there. I say if me sure money there for me card. Eh? Yo, nobody else out there have paranoia when it comes to online banking, online, anything we do with virtual, nothing with your money. Listen to me, man. I don't know if nobody know the counseling out there and them type of thing, but I got issues when it come to that, yo. This identity theft thing, yeah, boy, I tell you, it's crazy and it's going away in Jamaica right now. People, if you're using a Scotia account, make sure you set up your little thing where send you a notification as soon as no purchase go on. Cause when the thing run, I get a notification said the money come out of my account, and then it show me say no, it didn't go through, money put back, like peace of mind, you know. So make sure now have them thing they set up on an account and nobody get stressed out here like myself, yeah? Ah boy, I tell you. Yeah. Going through Mobile. It's a nice day today going to Macquarie Street. It's a street that when you have car problems and all these things, this is your place around here, you know? Yeah man, it's another day to give thanks, you know? Fuck so I can laugh and skin off my teeth is a blessing. Yeah. And I hope when you guys watching this video, not skin off on the teeth when I chat some of the things. You know what I mean? Because we all need a little outlet, one little place where we can just relax and unwind and try to just get rid of some of the stresses of life, yeah man. Yeah. One big up on yourself on a Friday Eve, yeah. Alright? Morning, my nice and beautiful people. Boy, I tell you, you see in a life, a lot of times, it is only when we witness death, we start to think about making amends, especially with family members and so forth. You know? Real talk, life is short. Yeah. So the time that we have here on earth, just try and live the best life that I can possibly live. Especially with your family members. Yeah man. So today, or whenever you listen to this or you watch this video, just find a friend, a family member, somebody. Yeah man. As the old saying say, bury the hatchet. You know, put the little foolishness aside. Yeah. It don't mean that you're gonna have to be chummy and nice and lovey with everybody, you know. But bury the foolishness. If you see even now one check call, how you doing? You alright, cuz? You alright, auntie? Daddy, mommy? Cause some people, you know it go. Yeah man, just make a check-in man. Life is too short. And it's only at the funerals you see people carrying on and they say, oh boy, if me did know, or even then after the funeral or whatever. Yeah man, take some time out to show some love man. Just another day in the life of Donte, is it? Yeah man, big up on yourself. Love. You know, many times you're out there and people seeking opportunities for inspiration or inspirational opportunities and motivation. Listen to me. If you don't believe in yourself, how you expect anybody else to believe in you? And I know sometimes, I know because of our background or upbringing or environment, people we choose to be our audience, you know, we choose to be a listening ear. It's a challenge for many of us, but let's look within, man. Come on, man. Start believing in yourself. Yeah, intrinsic motivation. Look it up, what that means. And start believing in yourself. You see, once you start believing in yourself, a lot of things will just start falling into place. Yeah, for all who are wondering where I drive, this is Hart Street. Original uptown area of Montego Bay, but you know how development goes. And I say original, I mean way back in the day. Now it's one of the lower socioeconomic level as it relates to, you know, communities. Yeah. But anyways, believe in the eye themselves, uplift, man. Start with you. Start looking into yourself first and foremost. You know? And as I was saying before, bury some of the hatchet. Release some of that heaviness that we have on our shoulders, some of the baggage. Easy now, my G, some of the baggage. You understand? Yeah, man, release some of the baggage, man, that we have on our shoulders that we carry. Let them go, man. Make yourself light and allow space for goodness and positivity and all that is good and righteous to come into your life, you know? Because if the space is cluttered, you know, pack up with a whole heap of foolishness, where you go get space to put in anything at all? You know what I mean? So, me there in one place and Jano. If you know, say people reality different, you know. But right at the shop, I look 2 ping pong for buy, see? And a little you would come in and order some things. You might read off on list. Bar say you want pound of flour, pound of chicken back, and a cheap toilet paper. Hey, everybody reality are not the same. You understand? So anything you want to have out there, me I tell you, we have to give thanks. Remember, me tell you, it's a different world. You're going to some community, the culture is so different. Another man come in, him order 2 slices of bread with butter. Give thanks to one of here. No joke.